Alright, let's change out one of the floodlights in front of the garage. So the new light, it should come on whenever it gets dark, like in the evenings. You just have to be careful. You have to also check to make sure you don't have any voltage. That's what I'm doing right now, making sure I don't have any voltage. So we basically have like a red, a black, and a white. So this is the new one. We will be replacing it with this beautiful one here. I'll probably put a link to where I got it from in the description. Alright, basically you want to connect the wires black to black, white to white, then the ground typically is green to bare wire, so non-insulated wire in the house. Then the light fixture will have a green wire. I usually do a little extra, put a electrical tape on it. Oops, forgot the electrical tape, so I'm gonna go get it and make sure I secure it with electrical tape. Alright, that's pretty much it. Then you just have to secure or screw in the light and you should be good to go.